Have you ever made a DIY that at the end you truly hated it? Not because it doesn't look good, because of the process? This one is it. Okay, loves, here is my final project. And I have to say, this one drove me crazy. I almost didn't post it. It made me very upset several times. I try to make DIYs that are fun for you guys to do. That's my goal. They should be fun, inexpensive, and easy to do. I would not consider this one easy to do. I had all kinds of problems, and I normally don't have problems with my DIYs. Starting off with the spray paint. I picked spray paint that you could paint plastic with and had a primer in it. And I painted the red onto the litter tray. And it literally chipped at every single turn. Anytime I moved it, it chipped. Hated that. I wouldn't do that again. Also, I had to spray paint the pool noodle because I had a purple one. Don't do that. Buy a red pool noodle, cut up the pieces that you need, and glue them on. The black paint, when you move this wagon, when I went to even glue those pieces on, it flecks off in black little pieces of confetti. And when I say little, I mean minuscule pieces of confetti everywhere. It was so horrible, I could not even take it. So that was a problem. I then painted my cups to make the wheels white. Don't do that. Paint yours black. And then hand paint the bottoms white. Because once I put it together, I didn't think you'd see the white that was on the cups, but you do. You want them to be black so it's not noticeable. And then hand paint the bottoms white, and then I spray painted some pennies and put them on. You saw me put them on, but you didn't see me spray paint them. I was gonna hand paint that too, but by that time I had it. I was done. Then the last problem is the cage. You have to hold on to the cage pieces when you go to glue them on for 2 minutes at least, or else they slide. They're not that heavy, but there's not much room to glue them. You're just really gluing them to the lip. You could put an extra block and do them 3 thick instead of 2 thick at the bottom, but since your tray is not straight up and down and it's angled, it would make them sit kind of funny. So I just held them a long time, which meant the Jenga blocks, the tumbling tower blocks, had stress on them. And so some of them snapped off, which was not fun. And I hated that. I don't know how everyone does DIYs with these blocks. I should have used probably some wood glue or Gorilla Glue on them. So maybe that was my mistake. I suggest that you do that, but that's longer drying time. And I already had 2 days of drying time just with paint and getting things to work. So besides that, it looks good. I wanted to make the most realistic looking wagon that I could, and I did. My handle actually goes up and down. I love that. And I'm going to put this on my porch for fall. But if I had to do it all over again, I'd buy wood dowels instead of using the tumbler blocks. They come in square. I'd use those instead. I wouldn't make my handle come up and down because the thing doesn't roll. I just probably use a very long spatula that has a black handle and stick it out the front, you know, glue it underneath so it would come up and stick out the front. That would be good. This is not inexpensive either. If you had to buy every piece, it would cost you $18. I didn't have to buy every piece. I had several of them. So that is it. I'm sorry this DIY didn't come out that well. If you want me to do a video on just what it took to make it and what all my problems were, I will. Comment down below. Besides that, I want to thank you guys for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button and become a member. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves. And I was gonna put my name on the side, like Lacee Space, like radio flyer. I didn't even dare try. I gave up.